Well, hello there and welcome back to Brambleberry. I am kind of starting at the end of this with my intro because we just poured some concrete trying to fix up our creek crossing here after our washout from that last storm. I think we got it set pretty good thanks to some awesome friends for helping out with that and getting this poured. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the cicadas are starting to come out. This is the first day I've heard them. I don't know if that's coming across in the video or not, but they're definitely out. I've seen a few. I'll give you a look here at what we did with the creek crossing.
I don't think you're going to get much more rain than what you got.
Right. So we did a little bit of shoring up on this side, poured some more concrete down here and down and around these culverts. And then this big boulder really is all that saved as much rock as we did from that last storm we had. But we got concrete all poured down behind it, coming out from under it there. This was a big ledge here that had washed out from under. But that whole thing now, that hole that I showed in a previous video is plugged up completely with concrete. And it's like all surrounding this boulder. So I don't think it's going anywhere. We also threw some rebar and stuff down in this because it's such a big piece of concrete. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere. This part up here obviously didn't go anywhere from all that. But we poured us a little smoothed out spot across here. And now we just got to wait for everything to cure up. Anyhow, that's the progress on the pour. And we had a lot easier time pouring this time as far as the water is concerned because we have our well now. So last time I had to bring in water and IBC totes and set it way up a hill and gravity feed it down so we could do that initial pour. But that was one step we didn't have to worry about this time. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.